Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Today, I will show you how to integrate AutoDS with Facebook Marketplace. AutoDS helps automate your dropshipping business and connecting it to Facebook Marketplace can streamline your product listings. So first, we need to log into our AutoDS account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to sign up and complete the necessary setup steps. Now, go to the integration section in AutoDS, look for Facebook Marketplace and click on it to start the integration process. You will be prompted to log into your Facebook account and authorize AutoDS to access your Facebook Marketplace account. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant the necessary permissions and once connected, set up how you want your products to sync between AutoDS and Facebook Marketplace. Now you can choose to import products automatically or manually. Perform a test to ensure that products are syncing correctly. Check your Facebook Marketplace listings to confirm that the products from AutoDS are appearing as expected. And that is how you integrate AutoDS with Facebook Marketplace. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.